TikTok affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use TikTok to promote your affiliate links and how you can promote your affiliate products as well. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can make TikTok videos without having to show your face, and in the process you're also going to be able to promote your products, which I think is pretty amazing. Now there are a couple of ways to do that. All right, so let's begin. First step, you're going to need to find your affiliate products, or you want to become an affiliate with a brand or a company, right? Now, there are a couple of ways to do that. You could go ahead and, get yourself affiliated with, let's say, Amazon, because that way, it'll be much more easier, because a lot of people, shop from Amazon and stuff like that. But if you're not into that kind of affiliate marketing, you could go into ClickBank, or JVZoo or other affiliate marketing platforms, but it all depends on you. Now if you go over to Amazon, the percentage of commission that you will be able to earn is only going to be 10%, whereas on ClickBank and other sites it could be more. It can be 50%, 30%, 60, 40, whatever type of commission you want, it can be available over there. So it all depends on you, right? I found that if you go with Amazon, it's a lot easier because people tend to buy more stuff from Amazon, right? And if you have a pretty cool looking product that you can promote, then people will buy it. It's pretty simple. So for example, if I come over here onto TikTok and I search for a account. Now this account, for example, over here, what this account does over here, they buy different products from Amazon, right? They deliver their products over here that they're trying to promote, right? That they have affiliate links for. And then when they do get the products, they just simply make these types of videos that are really interesting. Like for this instance, like let's take this video for example, right? Like over here, this video, right? It's just a simple video with different products that they're playing, right? Now she showed her face and her husband or boyfriend or whatever, but you really don't need to show your face. You just need to use the product like she's using over here, right? These different products, as you can see, like these are pretty interesting products that you would need, right? I would definitely could use this product in my day-to-day life. Maybe I'm trying to build something, maybe I'm adjusting my table, or putting up a rack or something, or shelf, then I would definitely could use this product over here. So it's pretty interesting, right? Now since she showed me these products, what I would do is I would just, as you can see over here, it says link in her bio, right? Just go into her account over here. As you can see, she has her affiliate link over here. This is her store's link. All right, now if I click over here, it's going to take me over to the easy bio links over here, where I can see all of her Amazon stores and follow her Amazon storefront and stuff like that, right? So if I click over here, all Amazon finds, I'll basically arrive over here onto her Amazon store, where I can see this product right here. Now if I buy this product, she'll earn a commission. Now as you can see, the prices of these products aren't really a lot, right? They're like $10-$20, but when she promotes them like these, right, and she gets 10% commission every time someone buys this product from her affiliate link, she makes tons and tons of money, right? Like $59 or something. Like that's not significant. That's like maybe $10 at max, maybe 7 or 5, right? If 1,000 people buy that product, you multiply the $5 with 1,000 people, you get like $5,000 over there. So that's how it basically works, right? So pretty simple. And as you can see, she has almost 2 million followers, right? And this video that I just showed you has over 938,000 views over here. So almost 1 million views. So even if half of those people bought the product, she still made tons and tons of money. So that's pretty much it. That's how it works, right? Same thing over here with this account. This person also does the exact same thing. She finds weird products online, right? Either from Amazon or other store, probably from Amazon. And then she makes videos just like her, like the previous, account I showed you. And then she just promotes these videos that are, she just promotes these products that are really inexpensive and anyone can buy them. And these products are unique. They're very unique products that everyone, once they look at them, they're like, I want to buy this product. So it's pretty simple. Like as you can see over here, this person also does this, and the same goes with this person as well. He does the exact same thing. All right, goes on to Amazon, finds different products, weird stuff, makes a video about them, promotes them online, and people watch these videos and they earn money through commission, even though the commission is only 10%. But because the product is so inexpensive and they're so dope, They're so nice products. They're really interesting and appealing to a lot of people. They get sold out. So that's what we're trying to do over here. So if you don't know where you can, sign up for the Amazon affiliate product, well, it's pretty simple. You just come over here and you search for affiliateproduct.amazon.com over here, and you just simply click on the sign up. Now, I'm not going to show you the entire sign up process, right? Because you can figure that out yourself. It's pretty simple, nothing too complicated. So once you've signed up, you are good to go, right? So let me just go ahead and log in, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so now that I'm logged in, right, this is how it's going to look like. Now, if you're trying to promote your products, all right, they're going to give you some recommended products over here, but these products are not interesting and not a lot of people are going to buy them, right? Maybe this product could sell because neck and shoulder relaxer, like I've seen a couple of videos on this, maybe that, but not a lot. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find your own products, right? And over here you will see product linking. If you come over here and you click on product links, it's going to show you how you can do it. All right, so over here you see this is called the SiteStripe. Over here SiteStripe, and over here you have a bunch of different products, right? So over here, this is going to be the Stripe over here. When you go onto Amazon, this Stripe is going to be available to you. Over here you can get the affiliate link. Now if I come over here onto Amazon and I come over here, as you can see, I already have the SiteStripe. All right, you got to make sure that the account that you're logged into is the same account of your Amazon. Both are very similar. All right, both are the same account. Then and only then will it work. Now let's say that you find a product, all right? Let's say these lights, all right, like creative stripe lights. Let's say you find these lights and you try to make a video on it, show people how cool they are, right? Now over here, $39, right? So if I click on this, product, you will see I have the get link option right here. Now you just simply click on the get link option. You're gonna get the link over here. You just simply save the link, all right? You go over to a Wix website or WordPress website or whatever. You make a list of all of your blogs, right? You make a list of all of your blogs. You put this store, you put this link over here within that website, and you are good to go. And and then what you're going to need to do is you're going to put that store's link, all right, into your bio. Same with these people over here, like how they put their stores or easy links over here in their bio. You're going to do the same, and when someone clicks on those links, it's going to be taken over to their main storefront with their website, and then over there people can go ahead and buy the product. So it's pretty simple. Now, as I said before, you don't have to show your face in these videos. It is so easy, so nice. You don't have to worry about anything else, right? Just find your own products on Amazon, cool products, unique products that you think that could be a cool hit, and then just promote them just like these. Like simply make a video like these people are making over here. Like over here, like there's nothing in this video, right? She's just talking, she's just showing your product. Over here you put the product, over here you put a bunch of fruit, you use the product, boom, looks so nice, looks really cool. I would want to have these products, so I would just simply go over to their profile picture, click on the link, buy the product, they get the commission, I get the product. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's how you do it. That's how you use TikTok as an affiliate marketing platform. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.